Okay, I got this thing pretty close. I think it's going to be sort of how we handle sizing that image, but this is the picture element doing its thing over here. Let's see how it's sort of changing sizes. Everything's staying centered on there, and that's about as big as I can get on my external monitor. But it's kind of flexing and sort of doing its thing. This is just off localhost, so I haven't stuffed this into WordPress yet, but it's not, that's obviously messed up, but that's not too far off of, I think, what we're trying to do. Yeah, picture element in effect. It's gonna be weird. See what happens. Stop.